Welcome to our short introduction to ownCloud Secure View and an outlook to Collabora Online and Infinite Scale and what currently our customers are looking forward to. My name is Holger Dyroff. I'm the Chief Product Officer of ownCloud. I'm with ownCloud since 2012. Before that, I was a long time at SUSE, actually started there in April 1993, which means almost 30 years now in the open source industry, and a Star Office user since roughly May 97. Later on, of course, OpenOffice and LibreOffice and now Collabora Online. And with ownCloud Secure View, we've worked together with Collabora to make sure that we have a fully functional secure viewing functionality, which means that the document actually stays completely on the server. This is a huge advantage for Collabora generally compared with other Office solutions, which are completely JavaScript based, where the document actually is always downloaded into your browser and available in your browser to be manipulated. So with this fully functional solution, we have implemented in a way that there is no download possible. We even have a security bounty available for that. So if you find a way to download, you can always go ahead and make a case on HackerOne. And if you were successful, we would actually pay a decent bounty to you. In the screenshot below, we see how this currently works. So as a normal share, I have an additional option to work in a secure view environment. I have watermarks on top of that, and I can decide if the user can print, which is the same as a PDF export in many ways. So the document stays on the server. It's only visible with watermarks on it, and that is very good for our users in regulated industries around the globe. So particularly in the automobile and also in the defense industry and also in the military area, we have customers who are using this very effectively. So second part of the talk is about WOPI in infinite scale. If you remember, WOPI is the protocol Collabora Online works with for the communication between the ownCloud backend server and the Collabora Online functionalities. That one is also rewritten for infinite scale. If you remember, ownCloud Infinite Scale is basically a new implementation of the content collaboration suite ownCloud with a Go backend and a JavaScript frontend, where the frontend is only interacting with open APIs with the backend. So there is no private functions or something like that, or some way which you can only reach with an integrated programming language as part of the LAMP stack. Here you have a full REST API typically